Optimizing the graphics settings in The Sims 4 can enhance your gaming experience by improving performance and visual quality. Follow these steps to adjust your settings effectively. Step 1. Access the game options. Launch The Sims 4 and navigate to the main menu. Click on the Options button, then select Game Options to access various settings. Step 2. Adjust graphics settings. In the Game Options menu, find the Graphics section. Here, you can adjust settings such as resolution, texture quality, and visual effects. Lowering these settings can improve performance on lower-end systems. Step 3. Enable or disable VSync. Still in the Graphics section, look for the VSync option. Enabling VSync can help eliminate screen tearing, while disabling it may improve frame rates. Choose based on your preference and system capability. Step 4. Set the frame rate limit. Find the frame rate limit option in the graphics settings. Setting a limit can help stabilize performance. If you experience lag, try lowering the frame rate limit to see if it improves gameplay. Step 5. Test and adjust. After making your changes, return to the game and test the performance. If you notice any issues, revisit the settings and make further adjustments until you find the optimal balance between quality and performance. By following these steps, you can enhance your gaming experience in The Sims 4. Enjoy your time in the game with improved graphics and smoother performance.